Welcome to the Equip4you unboxing video, part of the Equip4you CARE series. In this video is the Karcher VC1 dry vacuum cleaner. Included accessories is a hard surface floor tool,
reusable bag,
the vacuum suction hose, the reusable filter, the 2-in-1 floor tool, the 2-in-1 crevice and brush tool, the telescopic suction tube, the motor filter and the HEPA filter. To insert the vacuum bag, simply slide into the slots. Accessories are easy to attach. Simply slide them on securely. Use that one there. Some nozzles have more than one function. For example, the 2-in-1 crevice and brush tool. The space-saving accessory storage is secure and easily accessible. Simply slide the floor tool into the grooves. Thanks for watching. We hope this information helps.